Alright, this is Vasco again. The reason you can't see the video at first is because I don't have anything on, but I wanted to kind of show that this is how bright it is with the new LEDs at night. It looks almost the same as regular lights. And then in the back where I have like two for the brake light and one for the regular light. Let's see. Step on the brake. There we go. That's two LEDs for the brake and one for the tail light. And for your information, I have like a little chain on mine to make sure I pull that damn ignition key out. I don't want to leave that damn thing on overnight. That'd be stupid. But to continue on, I have the old coil there from the new wiring that I removed from my machine, and you know, I put it away because it's just kind of a useless piece for the moment, and I have an extra one, so that's what it's for. And the big coil is the thing to go with. I do have more power. I get better voltage. Hits 12 more often when I'm revving, and then with a little bit of load from the LEDs, it seems to run kind of even smoother. It actually seems to stabilize the voltage a bit with a slight consistent drain. Just like I read Hondas used to do that 45 years ago with 6-volt systems. It was like a voltage regulator in a sense. Okay, well anyways, this is Vasco Sena. This will be my last post on this issue. Goodbye.